Hello, I'm CEO of Dongguan Insertion Machinery. Today we introduce our new generation. This is a leveling machine. So this machine can do the sheet 0.8 to 3.5 millimeters thickness, and the maximum width is 800 millimeters. So we will first, let's say the machine has this is the panel. We can adjustment. We just put the sheet here. The width is 800 millimeters, and here is the theory of how we can working. There are 4 columns, so we can. This is a straightening rollers. This is the accuracy for the thickness. So we just adjustment. For example, this is 2 millimeters. So we can put here is 1 millimeters reduced to 1 millimeters minus, and here we can keep 2 millimeters. Then after that, this is the sheet will go out. This one we have the CNC control, so we can use this controller, Siemens controller, to do this accuracy with servo motor to control. But this machine is for most application is enough. Thank you.